Hi guys, so I'm just gonna reset the oil service interval for this car. It's a BMW 1 Series E87 2007 model, and I've just done the oil service, so I'm gonna reset the interval. So first you put in this key, press the button until the lights come on, and see it says service. So when the lights are off and the service is not visible anymore, now you press the trip button here, you keep it down until you see the triangle, and then let go. And now here on this up and down button here, you can scroll through whichever service you want to reset. Like you see all of them here. We want to do the oil service here. So now we press on the side the BC and it says reset. And now we hold the button, the BC button, holding, okay, keep holding. It's resetting it now. That's it. The service interval was reset for the oil change service. And yeah, if you want to do any other ones, you can keep scrolling, or whichever other one you want to reset. It's the same procedure. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Let me just switch it off and take the key out. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.